Good morning. You remember our presentation on the end date for COVID-19, and here is the calculator to calculate the date. Here is the date on which the COVID-19 pandemic 2021 in India should end. And the numbers in the red show what you can input. This is the doubling days. You use the COVID-19 tracker, find out the present daily numbers, find out when they were half, and the difference would give you the days in which they doubled. So this 13, at present there are 13 days they are taking to double. Then this number is the number that since only 20% are visible, so if we want to calculate from this number the actual number in the population, then we multiply it by 5. So that is the multiplication factor. And these are the numbers on base numbers. On 24th of April, you had 1.66 crores visible. So combining visible and not visible, you multiply this number by 5. About 2 crores were vaccinated, and thus we take that about 10.3 crores were already immune. Now to these numbers you keep on adding numbers as they change, as the visible count changes, and they increase by 5.5% every day. Given doubling days of 13 days, they keep on increasing. We multiply them by 5. This is the daily vaccination rate, and we add these two to get the expected daily rise of infection. And then we keep on adding this number to this number so that we get the cumulative number. And this number, if it is not 70 crores, we say the herd immunity is not achieved. But when we see that this number crosses 70 crores, 67 to 70 crores, we say on 19th June herd immunity would be achieved. So this is the explanation of the table, but you need not see the whole table. If you simply change this number to 10 and enter, then you see that the date on which herd immunity would be achieved, then you see that the date on which the herd immunity would be achieved becomes 10th June from 19th June. So please use this calculator and try to plan accordingly the resources that would be needed to treat these expected numbers. Of course, this is just a calculation, just an estimation, and the numbers may not be there because we have not taken all factors into consideration. Thank you.